So my name's Corey Cameron. I am the manager here at McColl Cabinetmakers. I take care of the day-to-day running of the business. We provide premium range kitchens and bathrooms. We can project manage the renovation from start to finish. The motivation to be in the field is really just, building people's dreams. That's what we really like to do. Making it as easy for people to, have a kitchen or bathroom renovation is what sort of keeps us motivated. We initially came across Campaigns You Love through a mutual friend, actually. And since working with Campaigns You Love, we have really seen the value in what they do. A couple of years ago, we started to think about having an online presence, really. And being tradespeople, generally speaking, we didn't really have a good enough background. We definitely tried, but we really needed some professional help. So the best parts about working with Campaigns You Love is always being kept up to date, but not actually having to do the labour-intensive side of the marketing and social media aspects of the job. We have weekly meetings just to talk about results, to talk about upcoming campaigns. So before using Campaigns You Love, we didn't actually realise how many customers were out there. They've helped us build online catalogues, websites, all that sort of thing. So since working with Campaigns You Love, we've really seen huge results, and just noticing the potential that you were missing out on was a real shock to us initially. So the return on investment has been probably higher than anything else that we could spend money on in the business. We invest in a lot of machinery and computer programs and things like that, but the marketing has probably had the highest return on investment than anything else that we've put into place. So if we didn't work with Campaigns You Love, we would be probably still fluttering in the land of stressing about where our next leads are going to come from. We had tried for many years, but previously by ourselves. When we're in need of new leads, we can easily run a few new campaigns, and the leads come a lot easier now. So if you're doing your own marketing at the moment, I would definitely look into outsourcing to a professional. The amount of hours and stress that goes into managing all these things yourself is unbearable at times, and I think that a lot of people who have done this themselves previously would be saying similar things. But outsourcing to a professional takes all the stress out of it, and get some real results.